Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This 5 bedroom, 5 bathroom home was built in 2020 and boasts clean lines and high ceilings. The house sits on half acre of level, well-fruited land and has separate helpers' quarters and gardener quarters, along with a storage cottage. As soon as one walks in, you will notice the high 24 feet ceilings, floor to ceiling windows, and 34 inches porcelain tiles. This luxurious modern house features soft monochromatic palette, large chef kitchen, and large rooms. Each bedroom is ensuite, and the house boasts a large walk-in closet for the master bedroom. The spacious back patio is perfect for entertaining or just relaxing after a long day of work. The house has 3 electronic covered garage. The house is equipped with 5 dog kennels, located in a central location at Wiltshire Avenue, Kingston 6. You are close to all the modern convenience of shopping, restaurants, and schools. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.8 million or Jamaican $277 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.